Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Candy Crush Saga on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then just go ahead and open up the iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. And now just tap on the search box and type in Candy Crush. Now start the search, and once you find the Candy Crush Saga application, you can tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the Candy Crush Saga application on your smartphone. Wait for a while until the installation is complete. Now once the application is installed, you can tap on the play button, and this will open up Candy Crush Saga on your smartphone. And you can immediately start playing or recover your progress from your previous save. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Candy Crush Saga application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.